In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw dotted lines in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by drawing the geometry you want to convert to a dotted or dashed appearance. The simplest approach is to use the line command, but you can also use any other drawing tool that creates a line, polyline, or similar object. Draw a clean, solid line where you need it on your drawing. This gives you a precise object to work with before changing its visual style. With the line created, the next step is to open its properties so you can change the line type. Select the line you just drew, then right-click and choose Properties from the context menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can type PR and press Enter. You can also open the Properties panel from the Home tab on the ribbon. The Properties palette shows details for the selected object and is where you'll choose a new line type. In the Properties palette, look for the Line Type row under the General section. That drop-down lists the line types currently available in your drawing. If the dashed or dotted style you want is already listed, simply choose it from the drop-down and you'll see the line update to that appearance in the drawing area. If it doesn't change visually right away, don't worry. Sometimes display or scale settings affect how line types render, and you may need to refresh or check line type scaling. If the style you need isn't in the list, click Other in the Line Type dropdown. This opens the Line Type Manager dialog, where you can manage the line types available to your drawing. Click Load to see the full list of standard line types supplied with AutoCAD. Scroll through until you find a dashed or dotted option that matches your intent, select it, and click OK to load it into the current drawing. After loading the line type, return to the Properties palette. The newly loaded dashed or dotted line type will now appear in the Line Type dropdown. Select it to assign that style to your selected line. The line should now display as a dotted or dashed line in the drawing. A couple of quick tips. You can select multiple objects before changing the line type to apply the same style to many lines at once. Also keep in mind that line type appearance can depend on drawing scale and line type scale settings. So if a line type still looks solid, check those display settings in AutoCAD. With these steps, you can convert solid lines into clear, professional-looking dotted or dashed lines quickly and reliably.